too old for AI, please. We survived dial-up internet. We can handle anything. Welcome back to my 90-day real-life AI journey. Today we're talking about a topic that so many women quietly wonder about, even if we don't say it out loud. Am I too old for this AI stuff? And the answer is no, absolutely not. In fact, you might even be better at it. Let me explain. Because after week 1 of this journey, after watching who showed up, what they clicked on, what they rewatched, what they stayed for, something became very clear. Women over 50 aren't struggling with AI. We're just approaching it differently. And that difference is an advantage. Now stay with me because this part really matters. Most women I've talked to don't actually fear AI. They may fear pressing the wrong button, looking silly, not knowing the right words for a good prompt. Some may feel talked down to by younger AI gurus, or just they fear being a bit overwhelmed with the vast amount of AI out in the world. And I get that. AI is evolving so fast, but none of those things are age problems. Those are practical experience problems. And here's the twist. Women in their 50s, 60s, and 70s have more experience. We've navigated the first computers, email, smartphones, social media, work life, family life, and all the tech that came in between. And let's be honest, some of that tech was way harder than AI is now. You adapted before. You can adapt again. And here's where it gets interesting. After the first week of this YouTube journey, I looked at the analytics and something fascinating showed up. My returning viewers, the ones who watched more than one video, were overwhelmingly women in their midlife years. And they weren't just watching. They were staying longer, completing more of the video, absorbing the information. I mean, that is gold. And that tells me something important. You don't want hype. You don't want complicated. You don't want jargon. You want clarity, calm, and practical steps that fit real life. Which means women over 50 are perfect for AI because we don't waste time. We go straight to the solution. And honestly, that's an advantage younger viewers don't have yet. Now, let's talk about the part nobody talks about. AI doesn't require speed. AI requires clarity. And who has clarity? Women who have lived enough life to actually know what they want. You've solved crises, managed households, raised families, led teams, run businesses, organized calendars, negotiated, supported others, and kept life afloat when it was messy. You've done it all. Those skills transfer directly to AI because AI works best when you can tell it what you want, what you need, what you're trying to solve, and how you want it delivered. And women over 50 are excellent at that. Decades of real-life decision-making is not a disadvantage. It's your superpower. I want you to hear that part. Now, younger people use AI because it's cool. Women over 50 use AI because it's useful. We don't care about the hype. We care about saving time, reducing stress, getting clarity, making decisions easier, and lightening the mental load, which is exactly what AI is good at. AI is not about coding or tech jargon. It's about support. It's a thinking partner, a simplifier, a stress reducer, a virtual assistant that doesn't judge your questions. And if you've ever been the one keeping everything together, then AI isn't replacing you. It's finally giving you support. And honestly, it's about time. After talking to women watching this series, one pattern kept appearing. You're not intimidated. You're cautious. And smart caution is a strength. You don't jump into every new trend. You ask, will this help me? Will this save me time? Will this reduce stress? Will this make life easier? You approach AI with maturity, not panic. And honestly, that's refreshing. It means you're using AI intentionally, not impulsively. Let me say this clearly. AI isn't replacing your experience. AI is amplifying it. Every year of your life gives you a better foundation for using these tools. Your wisdom, your calm, your perspective, your problem solving, your resilience. These aren't things AI can generate. These are things you bring to AI. So no, you're not too old. You're too experienced not to use it. If you want to dip your toe in, try this. Ask AI, what is one small way AI can help me simplify my week? That's it. Not a big task, not a tech lesson, just one helpful suggestion, because small steps build confidence and confidence builds momentum. You are not behind. You're not late. You're not past the point of of learning. You are exactly where you need to be, with skills and experience that make you uniquely prepared for this new chapter. And I'm walking through it with you. And before we go, let me say this. You're not late to AI. You're right on time with exactly the experience it takes to use it well. Until next time, when we explore more interesting AI topics, what will it be? You'll have to come back and see. With that, I'll see you in the next video.